Alright, I'm back working on the in-move hand again. I'm going to be working on the wrist and probably routing some of these tendons through this part over here. Get these screws aside. Alright. Pull this out. I need to get, big thing is I need to get the gear onto here and get it to fit. So this is going to need to go on here. I think it's going to need to go a bit deeper, lower onto here to be able to fit in here. So I'm going to have to kind of heat this up, kind of melt it down a little more, or drill it out a little bit. Maybe just drill it out so it goes a little deeper. Okay, so I did a little quick fitting, and I think everything's going to fit together well. I need to lube everything up, get it back together, and see what we've got, and then we can power it up and test it. So here we go. Let me find a little brush. I'm going to use a little bit of tri-flow grease that I've had. This stuff should do a really good job. Actually, you know what? That's going to be stationary, but it's going to move inside of there. Okay. So I need some on here. There we go. Also going to put some on the inner edge here, just to have good contact. All right. Now this goes in here. That. And these are going to get pulled tight. All of them. There we go. This is the tricky part. I got to get this gear in and get all these sides fitting in here, and then the gears also have to mesh. I think I had everything pretty close to right. And then this there also has to fit in. Yeah, actually that's really good. Nice, good fit. Alright, we're going to pull all the tendons tight. If I can get all of them tight. Alright. There. Get this screw in on the wrist. Maybe putting a different one in later because this one doesn't really grab hold very well. But for now, it's perfect. And then these three small screws hold this on. And these look really nice. I like these little screws. They make it look really clean. These are just plastic screws so that, you know, they're not bolts that go into threads or anything, so they can chew up the PLA pretty easily. That looks, you know, that looks pretty nice. I like the look of that. Alright, I'm going to do a little testing and I'll be back and maybe show off the movement in a minute. Alright.